The future of Furlough Fridays heads to court tomorrow. A visiting federal appeals court judge will rule whether or not to grant a preliminary injunction to stop the furloughs. But there is controversy over the hearing even before it gets to the courtroom. KITV's Jill Kuramoto joins us live now to explain. Jill?
Well, Paula, 2 lawsuits filed by the parents of special education students seeking to stop the teacher furloughs face a pivotal court hearing tomorrow. And the attorney representing one of the parents is accusing the Attorney General's office of unethical conduct. Attorney Eric Seitz charges the Attorney General's office of improperly allowing school principals and teachers to discuss furlough issues with special ed students who are part of the lawsuit and filing declarations on what they found from his clients.
The Attorney General and the representatives of the Department of Education have been out around talking to kids without our knowledge and without the knowledge and permission of their parents, kids who we represent. And that's just not something that any ethical lawyer would ever do.
Seitz says the declarations claim there have been no problems with schooling these students because of teacher furloughs, something he says is
just unfathomable. I mean, there's no question that when kids are not in school, that some damage is being done. When special ed kids are not in school, it could be irreparable harm.
The Attorney General's office denies any unethical conduct. The suits will be heard by visiting Judge Wallace Tashima of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. U.S. District Judge David Ezra recused himself from deciding the furlough lawsuits after becoming appointed the special master to try to mediate an out-of-court settlement on the cases.
We want to be in school!
Meanwhile, Governor Lingle and legislative leaders have been searching for other solutions to the furloughs, including pay cuts.
Well, certainly a 5% pay cut is preferable to taking off so many school days.
But even with straight 5% pay cuts, money would have to be made up elsewhere to make up the state's nearly $1 billion budget deficit. Now, Judge Tashima won't be taking evidence tomorrow, only the declarations submitted. But he should give some idea of what he's going to do and when he's going to rule. Tomorrow's hearing is expected to be a lively one. It's scheduled for 10 a.m. tomorrow in U.S. District Court. We'll have coverage online at KITV.com and in our evening newscasts. Reporting live, Jill Kuramoto, KITV4 Island Television News.